Hello again, everyone. I'm now at Station 4, and a lot of Station 4 actually happens underneath the vehicle. You can actually see that the vehicle is sitting on a hoist. Right now, the hoist is in the down position, but I am going to kind of walk you through what's going on in Station 4. So there's a lot of underbody harness and the battery work gets done in Station 4, but also you can see that we've got some other lines going in for the LP system, the water lines, city fill. They do a high pressure LP test at Station 4. You can see just more wires that have been kind of installed throughout the coach. That'll help with the lighting as it goes through the process. The tanks, the macerator, and the hose box, those all get installed here. So as you can see, I'm just going to give you a look underneath it without the vehicle being up on the hoist. And you can see some of the water tanks underneath there as well. And if I swing you around to the other side of the coach, I do this when the production line is not running, so that it's not as noisy as I'm trying to film, which is why the unit's not up on the hoist, but you can see that they've got the macerator hose stuff prepping for the finishing work. So there's not a lot that happens necessarily inside. There's a lot of work on the underside of this coach, so tanks and LP systems, and the water lines get connected, and the heat shield gets added. So that's a quick look at where we are with Station 4.